Do you find that tracking your digital results takes too much time? Would you like to see the results of your digital activities at a glance? SmartBi's Master Dashboard can help. SmartBi is already making it easier for you by bringing all of your important dashboards together in one easy-to-understand platform to track your actions in the digital world and more. We make your life even easier by offering you an even more summarized view of your actions. Thanks to the Master Dashboard included in all our SmartBi packages, you'll quickly get answers to your questions. We really mean answers to your questions. The Master Dashboard offers you an interface in which you select a question and we return an answer. How many recent calls have you received from your online actions? How many contact forms have been submitted? How many conversions has Google Ads generated this week? How are the fans of your Facebook page evolving? These are just a few examples of the questions you can answer with SmartBi. Your Master Dashboard will automatically evolve with you. As you add new dashboards to your SmartBi account, we add new questions to the Master Dashboard. Regularly monitoring your actions will prevent you from missing an opportunity to perform better and will put you on track to maximize the return on your investments. Thanks to our summary dashboards, it only takes a few minutes to confirm that all is well. With SmartBi, you'll gain superpowers and feel like you're as fast as a flash. For more information, contact us. We'll get back to you quickly.